Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you start up our 85 Ram Charger and show you its options. See, fuel tank at 1/4, oil pressure half there. There's a blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There you can hear the fan. Let's see if we can get it over to FM. There's AM, so it works. And I'll show you the wipers here. They work. And horn. Horn works. There's your power windows. We just did some work on them, so they work. Has power locks, but they don't work. They're a weird system back in the day when they did these. They were, what you did is you push down and then it locked them, but they don't work. So there's your headlights. Runs really good. Nice and smooth. Still got a smog pump. Cruising there we converted to R134. It's got oversized tires on. I do want to mention they do rub. If you turn a little too tight, they do rub on the fenders. Here's your tail lights. Open up your hatch. Hatch, I just want to show you neat. Doesn't have its we don't have the cylinders on there because one of them needs a little fiberglass work in the gate. So I'm just kind of, we try to let you know about everything we know about it. So, but for the most part, nice Ram Charger, great look. So now we'll take it for a drive and you can watch that video also. 605-695-7391.